have our ITR wiring harness here, and a lot of the brackets, as you can see here, are rusted, etc. And so I've got a couple extra harnesses, so we're going to swap out any parts and pieces that we can. We're going to look at swapping out. And I do have a spare charge harness off the parts car here as well. And so we'll take a look at the original ITR one versus this spare one. First thing that I notice is my ITR actually still has the white label on it, versus my parts car one is missing the label. And so we'll definitely keep at least that part of the ITR harness, and all things being considered, it's got the boot on it, etc. So I think what I'm going to do is simply swap out this bracket, and then I'll take the other bracket off for continuity's sake. I'll just save it. It apparently got pulled off and put in a baggie, so but probably need it, so we'll take it off and keep it. But really, this bracket's the only one that I think I'm going to need to keep.
So I actually ended up with another ITR harness similar to mine. After cleaning them up, I found that mine was in better condition. The one I'd purchased, the oil pressure sensor wire had been pulled off. I did solder a new one back on and sold that one to another member that needed it, but actually ran my original harness on the car.
Exposed areas on mine, you can kind of see here. Keep in mind, this isn't this bracket, it's just this very exposed piece. Mine actually has, it would sit like that, and you can see mine actually has more of the green coating on it, and so I think I'll just keep mine and clean it up. Probably replace this one on mine with those two that are sitting down there. Take a look and see what we can do there. Hey guys, hope you enjoy watching the restoration of the rusty Barnacle Integra Type R 98111. Please subscribe and keep looking for updates. Thanks.